In this tutorial, we're going to cover how you can get Google Analytics set up with your podcast page website. Google Analytics is a free tool that you can use to track user data and understand the user experience on your site. So the first thing I would do is go to Google and just type in Google Analytics, and it will probably be the first option that shows up. But once you click on that, you'll see a page like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into the right Gmail account. You may have a personal one and a business one and maybe a few more, but just make sure you're in the right account. Currently, I'm in the right account. You'll just click on this little blue icon here in the top right-hand corner and then choose the right account and then go from there. And as you can see here, this is a brand new account. So the first thing I'll do is click Start Measuring. Alternatively, if you already have a Google Analytics page set up for a different website or something like that, it may look something like this. So what you're going to want to do is this. Go down to the bottom left-hand corner where it says Admin and click on Admin. Once you do that, you'll see 2 or maybe 3 columns. In this case, I'm seeing 3. And then at the very top of the column on the left, you'll want to hit Create Account. Once you do that, this page looks very similar to this page. So I'm just going to go through the process here for us. The first thing you're going to want to do is type in the name of your podcast page website. And I'm just going to copy this because we're going to need that again later. So down here, it talks a little bit about data sharing with Google. You can keep this on or off to your preference. I'm just going to check them off for now. And then from there, I'm going to click on Next. So here, I'm going to paste in the name that I added in earlier, and I'll just add the word website to the end of it. Once I'm done with that, I'll click Next. And then from here, it just asks you a little bit of info on your business. You could fill this out if you like. A few options here about industry. I'm just going to leave it this and then go to the next step. From here, you'll sign the service agreement and hit Accept. And then once you do that, you have now officially created the account. Now we need to grab a specific code that we are going to add to our podcast page website. On this page, you'll see I'm selected in the data streams. And what I'll do is choose the platform that we're using, which is web. So I'll click on that. And then here, I'm going to type in the URL that we have for the site. And then from there, I'm going to name the stream. Again, just adding in the title from before. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. This is just for you on the back end. And then from there, I'm going to hit Create Stream. I'm going to leave this checked on and I'm going to hit Create Stream. Now we have the code that we need to begin. There's a lot of stuff here. All you need to pay attention to is this measurement ID, and you could click here to copy the code. Once you do that, you'll go back to your podcast page website. And in here, you'll go to integrations in the left-hand menu. And then right here, you'll see Google Analytics. So we'll click on that. And the only thing you'll need to paste in is that code we just grabbed. And then you'll hit submit. And just like that, you set up Google Analytics and it is fully functioning and working.